Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Bandlab project and selecting the track you want to shape. Click Effects, pick Equalizer, and insert the Graphic EQ plugin. Choose an 8, 10, or 16 band layout to match your goal. Once done, set the input gain to unity. This prevents hidden clipping, and enable the spectrum analyzer so you can see where energy sits. You'll begin with a flat preset or a mild preset. This gives you a neutral baseline to compare changes as you make them. You now make targeted adjustments. Use a narrow cue and sweep with a +6 dB boost to pinpoint harsh or muddy frequencies, then dial that band down to cut the problem. For tonal balance, widen the cue and apply gentle boosts or cuts. This smooths the sound without sounding surgical. Apply a low shelf for sub-control and a high shelf for air, and always a slash be your changes. Toggle bypass to hear the difference. Make sure to watch the analyzer and trust your ears, not just the visual. Finish by saving your custom EQ as a preset and jotting quick notes so you can recall the context later. You should automate bands for sections that change dynamically, then render a quick bounce and listen on both monitors and headphones to confirm translation. If you hear facey artifacts, smearing, or unexpected muddiness, try switching to linear phase mode or undoing recent boosts. Cuts often solve buildup better than more boosting. And if things still sound off, bypass the EQ to compare and isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.